Hey there, what going on YouTube? It's your boy Drip. Now Santa. Okay, then back with another video. Today we're gonna be showing y'all how to put y'all music on Distrokid. The last video was showing y'all that it exists. So step by step, I got some beats on here. I'm just finna upload me a beat. Dang, where my music is right here. Okay, so I don't know which one I'm finna use. Did I? I don't know which beat I'm finna use. I'm finna just listen to him a little bit, cause I don't want to upload the wrong beat. Low key, I think I'm finna just upload that one. Alright, so what you want to do is come here and go to upload like we did in the last video. Just make sure everything checked right there. How many songs you want to do, previously released, no, your name right there. Then you got all this other stuff. You're all set. And then time out. So it probably won't ask you to put that in, but if it do, you know what to do. Common sense. So consider upgrading. Alright, so now when y'all get down here to where it say choose a new image, if y'all probably already gonna have y'all stuff, but I'm finna, if you don't have an image, this is what you can do. You can go to Canva. Canva is a free kind of Photoshop type thing, since y'all probably won't have Photoshop, but you feel me? If you do, it is what it is. You know what to do then. But Canva, where the I think this is the first site that popped up. Alright, yeah, so Canva, sign in, log in, sign in. Let me get rid of this. I got too much stuff open right now. A lot of stuff open right now. Going a little slow. Alright, so create dimension. What you do is go to custom size and then do 3000 by 3000. So type that in, 3000, and then you can even you really can do this on your phone. I'm gonna skip the tour. I already know what to do. Add a. Okay, nah, we ain't gonna do that. I don't know why I did that. Alright, so all the stuff is right here. So really what you can do is I ain't gonna use that one. I want to use that one for something else. But hold on. I wonder if I could add some. I think you can upload your files. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go to my little pictures. You feel me? I'm gonna just finna put this up here. Drag and drop it. So I think, yeah, this how you do it. kind of drug it out too far. But I'm gonna use this for a little cover. And so what you do now is you probably go hit share, and you probably hit download right there, and you most likely hit JPEG, and then you hit download, and then save it where you want to save it. Alright, we're going back to Distrokid. Find wherever you saved it at. I'll save mine to my desktop. Or you like the reason you want to do all that is I don't think I had to do all that, but the reason you probably want to do it is because let me show you. If you pick the wrong size, it'll ask you. See, like I'm finna try it. Well, maybe not. That's a whole PNG. Alright. See, alright, good example. So if you don't pick the right size, it'll tell you that. It'll prompt you with that, and then so we're gonna the picture. What picture was it? I think it's that. Boom, we got that guy. Alright. Select your language, your genre of music or whatever. Second, I'm gonna do hip hop. whatever that hip hop. Alright, name your track. So I'm gonna just name it. I don't know. I don't know. I'm finna name it. I don't. Jackboy. Oh no. Whoa, it didn't do all that. Alright, so I'm gonna just name it type beat. Upload the audio file, of course. Which beat did I have? Dang, I done forgot the beat. I think it was latest. Alright, so we got that beat right there. Version info and song title. Beat. I'm gonna take out type beat. Add featured artist to track. Alright, so the rest of this probably gonna be how it's supposed to be for you. Or if not, you can just mess around with that. But yeah. Alright, so this way you just put your real name or whatever name you wanna put right there. I would say put your real name in case you have any kind of legal like stuff going on. But yeah, music and lyrics is just type your real name. Explicit lyrics, if it got cussing in it or not, or sexual stuff, you feel me? Alright, so is this the radio edit? And then you can also put instrumental if you want to. It gives you that choice. You can. Alright, so with this right here, some of the stuff you gotta pay extra to be able to change. I'll go through that too. So right here you get to choose the price of your music in the stores. Alright, so and we got all this other stuff right here. You get to choose to if you want to edit your music, like the normalization of it. You can pick a number that you want people fans to contact you with. You can pick what is this? Automatically deliver this single to new online stores. Okay, so this is when every time every time a new store pops up, like iTunes and stuff like that, you can just pick you can just pay for that and it'll just automatically add it on there. This single to major global databases. Song recognition in million. I don't know nothing about that. I'm gonna be honest, but I don't think you. I think you'll live without some of this stuff. One time feeding reoccurring encodes the audio. Yeah, you'll live without all of this stuff for the most part. But yeah, then you just check all this, make sure all this is checked, and then hit done. I don't think I want to upload this though, cause I'm really not sure what beat that is. But yeah, y'all can upload y'all stuff right there. We're going to the upgrades though. Alright, so this is how it works. I didn't go over this last time. I should have went over it. Alright, so it's not free. It's $20 per year for the basics. Alright, not bad, right? This my current plan. Verified. It comes with the Spotify check tick. So like TikTok, not TikTok, like how Instagram got a tick by your name when you get verified. So that's what that is. You get splits and unlimited lyrics. You can upload your lyrics if you want to type all that. And then unlimited songs. Alright, but the next one is $36 a year for 2 artists. Yeah, it sync all your music to Instagram, your lyrics to Instagram. Well, this syncs all your songs to Instagram. Like a lot of stuff come with that too. So you'll live without these, but this for more. Like you can put your label name, you can edit your own release date. You can do pre-order date, iTunes pricing. You feel me? Like you can just edit how much money you want your, like say you want your one song to be $1,000. I guess that's how it works. People can buy your song for $1,000. It probably got a cap though. But daily streaming stats, you can see that daily. I might need to upgrade. I ain't gonna lie. It's some stuff that I just don't need, like 2 artists. I don't need that. But hey, you get it. And it's like pick me. When you sign up for these things, you will have to like use your tax information, stuff like that, just so they can pay you and tax you and stuff like that. But the last one, we got the label. Save up to 40% right now. That one's also 10% right now. I'll drop the but you'll have 7% off no matter what if you use my affiliate code that I'm gonna drop it in the description below. But yeah, So basically, it has everything both of these have, and it comes with five to 100 artists. Also, you starting a record label, your own little record label, basically. So yeah, 40% off. Alright, and really, I'm gonna show y'all some other stuff. Alright, so you can promote. It got promo stuff right here. Some of it free, some of it ain't. Got promo codes, social phone. This the phone that they was talking about. That they had the number. They had the numbers down there. Alright, so they offer you. So that ain't free unless you pay. That ain't gonna be free. Alright, free landing pages. All of this is just to promote your stuff, but I'm gonna go. Hold on. Hyper follow, all that. Special access. Like, you can come over here and sign up for all this stuff. I done signed up for the artist payment, so then to let fans support you directly on Tidal, Hi-Fi Plus. So if y'all want to support me on Tidal, y'all can. Like, easy. You can also connect your Twitch account here. Apple Music for artists. You can do that. YouTube official artists. Alright, so my homeboy had trouble with this. I don't know. Maybe he didn't do this step, but he had trouble with this. I got him trying to do it too. So you get a tick on, you get the little music note. Let me go to mine if I can. Go to my channel real quick. Let me not play this. Alright, so you see right there, I got the YouTube music tick, nope, whatever you want to call it, badge. Right there. Dang, I can't. But yeah, go subscribe too, by the way, you feel me, so you can keep up with your boy. And hit that notification bell. But yeah, Spotify for artists. These are two apps that you can use to keep up with your revenue. Well, not your revenue, but your analytics. Like YouTube got YouTube Studio and stuff like that. You can also connect Audio Mac if you want to. But yeah, though, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We finna dip. Okay then.